So, welcome back to the channel, guys. I have here the Trek Marlin 6, lent to me by CDS Cycles, located at Bulacan. So, this is a Trek Marlin 6 extra small, 13.5 inches, and a Viper red. So, this bike is particularly for beginner bikers, for newbies. So it is not very expensive. This only costs around 26,000 pesos SRP. It has the basic parts you need. Now, since this is an extra small, it comes with a 27.5 wheels. So the tires are Bontrager XR2 27.5 by 2.2, and the rim is a Bontrager Connection. So what Trek did is from extra small to small, they only give 27.5 option for extra small and small size frame. So now the fork is a Suntour XCT 30 coil spring with open and lock options, and it is preloaded. Now for this particular size, extra small, it's only 80 mm. But the rest, from small, medium, large, extra large, it's all 100 mm. For the handlebar, for this size, since this is an XS small, extra small size, the handlebar is 690 mm wide. But for the rest of the sizes, for this one would be a 720 width or wide handlebar. So we have here also the stem is a Bontrager blender. So we have the brakes, a Tektro brakes, model HD276 for size extra small and small frame, because according to them it has a shorter reach for braking, for easy access for braking. It has a shifter of 8-speed by Altus, and front shifter, it's a 3 by, so also Altus series. Now we go down to the front derailleur. This is an Altus front derailleur, and the crank is Tourney crank, three chain rings Tourney. The size of the chain rings are 42, 34, and 24. The crank arm is a 170 crank arm length. It has a KMC chain. Then we have an Altus rear derailleur, model M310. Okay. It has 8-speed from 12 to 32. So for this kind of entry levels, usually they don't have the clutch for the chain slap when bouncing. So now we go to the Tektro brake caliper, hydraulic, and this brake 160 mm for both rear and front. So both wheels are also quick release, 9 mm QR quick release. This particular bike, Trek Marlin 6, has a Bontrager Arvada saddle. So the Trek Marlin 6 is an entry level bike for mountain biking. It has the basic needs you need: hydraulic brakes, very important for mountain biking. Although it has a coil spring, but if you're just a newbie, a beginner, a coil spring fork will be okay, just enough. A 3x chainring is for also a newbie, so you have a lot of options, ratios when going up. So you have, although it's only a 24 speed, but with a small chainring in front, it will give you the right ratio to climb pavements. Okay, then it's very light. The color is very nice. I like the red. For extra small and small, they only do 27.5. Then for the medium large, extra large, or extra large, they do 29-inch wheel. Then for the extra small only, the fork is only 80 mm. So this is what they do for smaller riders. Before, mostly 26er times, the smallest frames are usually from 15.5. So smaller riders do have hard time because this top tube hits their inseam. So now they have a good line going down. For those light trail riders who are just into basic trails, not yet in the technical trails. So as soon as you what do you call this? As soon as you upgrade your skills, then slowly you upgrade the parts. You can stay in hardtail and upgrade the parts. So Trek is one of the world's best bike brand because if you know, they have their pro team for XC women's. It's Emily Batty, the Canadian lady MTB XC biker. Then we have the Atherton family, G Atherton, Dan Atherton, and Rachel Atherton for the DH team. So they use the DH bike of Trek. They are sponsored by Trek. So lately, G Atherton won the Red Bull Hardline. The trail is made by his brother Dan. So this is just a quick bike check for this model. I am very impressed for this price point with this particular brand, and mostly with the internal cabling for this kind of entry-level bike, that it has internal cabling. Okay, so that's it for the Trek Marlin 6 Viper Red. I'll see you on my next bike check. So if you like this video, please like it, share, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. So that's it.